Hello and welcome to English for Beginners class. In this video, you will learn about the most practical and useful tense, simple present tense. This video has two parts. The first part is about positive and negative sentences, and the second part is about how to make questions for simple present tense. Let's get started. Simple present tense, something we do over and over again. It's about a routine, something that we do over and over. In positive sentences, subjects I, you, we, they plus verb. For example, I go. But to make negative sentences, I, you, we, they plus don't plus verb. I don't go. Look at this example. I wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Wake up is our verb. To make negative, I don't wake up at 11 a.m. You go to school by car. Go is a verb. To make negative, you don't go to school by school bus. You don't go to school by school bus. You have dinner in the evening. Have is our verb. To make negative, we don't have dinner in the afternoon. They study English every Tuesday. They don't study English every Monday. Now let's learn about he, she, and it. It's a little bit different because we should add es or s to the verb. He comes. For negative form, he, she, it plus doesn't plus verb. He doesn't come. He comes. He doesn't come. Let's look at the example. He takes a shower. Pay attention to the verb. Take, takes. To make negative, we use doesn't. He doesn't take a shower every day. He takes a shower every week. He doesn't take a shower every day. She works with her laptop in her office. Work, works. To make negative, she doesn't work with her phone in her office. It eats meat. It eats meat. It eats. It doesn't eat plants. Simple present tense, yes-no question. To make yes-no question, again we use do and does. Do, you, they, we, I plus verb. So to make question, we need do. For subjects, you, they, we, I plus verb. Do you wake up at 9 o'clock in the morning? No, I don't. Do you wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning? Yes, I do. Do they study every Tuesday? Yes, they do. Do they study English every Monday? No, they don't. In this part, we are going to make questions for she, he, and it. We have to use does. Does plus she, he, it plus verb. Does he take a shower every day? No, he doesn't. Pay attention. When we have does in a sentence, verb should be in the base form. We have base form of the verb. Does he take? Does he take a shower every week? Yes, he does. Does it eat plant? No, it doesn't. Does it eat meat? Yes, it does. Now it's your turn. I do my homework every day. Make a positive sentence, negative sentence, and make a question form of that. Send the answer in the comment, please. To see more videos, please subscribe the channel.